next question. Ooh, all right. So this week, I had one of my Facebook accounts closed down for what? I don't know. I don't even know what, because they don't tell you. So we spend around about $500,000 a year on Facebook ads, which is ludicrous. And so you'd think that we'd get some kind of special treatment, but no, we don't. What we actually get is our ad account shut down, and no like, dear Neil, we noticed your ad account was actually running a advertisement where you talked about this particular product being a miracle cure for cancer. Well, Neil, turns out you can't actually do that, so please stop doing that. You bad boy, beat you on the arse. Instead, what happens is they just switch your account off and say, go and look at the advertising policies to figure out why your ad account got switched off. And of course, the ad account policies are designed purposefully to be so broad in their available things that you can get wrong that they can basically kick you off the platform for anything at all. Okay, so there's no way to know why on earth you're getting kicked off, which sucks. So anyway, on the 24th of October, what day was that? I don't even know what that was. Saturday or Friday? I don't know. We had our, one of our Facebook accounts switched off. And so I posted that here, and that of course led to lots and lots of people saying, how on earth do you get more than one Facebook account? Why on earth do you need one? So that's the background to that, all right? So here's what you want to do. So first thing you got to check is if you've actually got the ability to have more than one advertising account, because you might not have the ability to do that. And I'm assuming that you've got a Facebook for Business account, because you need one to run ads anyway, properly. So there's that, all right? So you've got to be in your business settings, and then you come down to where it says add accounts. Actually, let's go for it a bit further. So first thing you want to check is how many accounts can you have? So that's in business info way down here at the bottom. Blah, 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 blah. Raw local, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. And here it is. So add account creation limit, just here, look. So that's how many ad accounts this particular business can have. And that ought to give you some indication of how you can get more than whatever your ad account limit is. So that's where it is, okay? So do that. Go and have a look for yourself. That will not be 6 for, well, it probably won't be 6 for your particular account. It ranges anywhere between 1 and 100. And I don't know the metrics that they use to decide who gets what. I've got no idea, all right? But I do know this. You can create more Facebook business accounts, which can give you more Facebook ad accounts if you don't have enough. Anyway, so that's the first thing you're going to do. And then what we're going to do up here. And so if I come up to add accounts, just over on the left-hand side, and then add accounts, I can now add an ad account by just going to create a new account. I'm not going to go and create one, but that's where you would go and do that. You just go and create a new account. Look, it's a pretty simple process to go and do that. And what you want to do, big tip for you, is you want to set up a backup Facebook ad account. Do it now. And then once you've done that, you want to share your Facebook pixel data from your primary current Facebook ad account with your new Facebook ad account. Okay, so you want to share your Facebook pixel information between your ad accounts. And what that will mean is if you do, for some unbeknownst reason, get your ad account switched off, you've still got all of the data that was in your Facebook pixel. That's not been lost, because that's the last thing that you want to happen. You don't want to get that shit lost. Hope that helps. Maybe I could do a proper demonstration of how to do the Facebook pixel sharing another time. But for now, go and see how many you've got and go and create a new ad account as a backup just in case you need it. Hope that helps. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.